Historical conflict between family had caused great division, leaving two tribes at war. Although the generations had passed, the conflict still remained. Each chief realized this needed to be resolved. A solution was proposed.
The daughter of one chief would marry the son of the other to help bring peace.
Hinemoa is presented by one tribe, and she is not at all charmed by the chosen rangatira of the other tribe. But she does have eyes for one, and that is Tutanekai. But Tutanekai was not of high birth, and this potential union caused great anxiety amongst the tribes, as this was not part of the agreement. But they fell in love. But this love was forbidden.
To ensure the agreement was met and to avoid any future conflict, the chiefs strived to keep them apart.
Tutanekai lived on Makoia Island.
Hinemoa's father caused that the canoes be brought ashore to prevent her from travelling to see Tutanekai. Determined and unbeknown to others, they had devised a plan. In the night, Tutanekai would play his flute, and Hinemoa would be guided by the sound of his music. To aid Hinemoa in her swim, she would use calabashes to help as flotation devices and wrap them around her on her journey across the lake. Hinemoa set off in the night, being guided by the musical flute of Tutanekai. The lovers find each other, and their union is resumed. The two chiefs concede defeat and reluctantly accept their union.
The notion that their reunion would cause conflict was now seen to be completely unfounded, and instead a celebration was to take place. Hinemoa and Tutanekai's union helped restore peace and love amongst the tribes, and the tribes became one again. And this is the forbidden love story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai.